Hi friends and welcome. Come on in. Thank you so much for stopping by. Tablescape Tuesdays is an ongoing open collaboration that is hosted weekly by Anna from the Grace Life DIY and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Please visit their channels and show them some love. Thanks, ladies, for inviting me to be the guest host this week for Tablescape Tuesdays collaboration. It has been a pleasure. Today, I'm paying a special tribute to Anna as she celebrates her birthday. Anna has requested that we use the colors white and gold in our theme. Please enjoy the remainder of the video with music. Thank you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Anna. May the Lord bless you with many, many more. Please check the playlist for all of the awesome creators that have taken part in this collaboration and show them some love. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.